side there is Ami Kundrikar, and one side is your panel, which you are leading. So how would you see react on that?
No, see, like I said also, I just want to wish them the best of luck. Sureen, as all of you know, has accomplished a lot during his career. If you'll ask him what exactly also, I'm sure he's told you like 100 times also. Now, again, see, everyone has good candidates on both sides, so it's going to be a tough competition. They're not taking anybody lightly. Like I said, whoever the candidate is. I just want to say best of luck to
One more thing is that there's no doubt once your tenure gets selected, that you will be the mayor again. So how would you react on that?
No, see, it's nothing like that. The party will sit and they will decide. There are a lot of, like Uday had said, there are a lot of mayors that are present also, the next mayors also. So the party will decide and see who's the best candidate for it. So they will decide accordingly. No, see, not support means like we have done whatever we've done. See, if you ask anybody in the ward, it's not like no work was done. The work was perfectly done this road. Sureen has slept for 5 years and he wakes up only during election time. So any candidate who's in opposition will say the same thing also. Because
In
they
the
are
last,
capable of doing it.
in the last 5 years, if you go to see smart city issues have been worrying about you because you have faced major of the criticism from others, maybe other political leaders. How do you have seen all these things and how is the present position of the smart city works?
See, there were issues regarding to smart city also. I'm not saying that. The thing is that now whenever people needed the help and everything, we were on the ground. We made sure that a majority of the issues were solved. Like I said, Mala used to flood every day for 15 years, and this is the one. I mean, ever since the project got completed, we were there. I think before the project launched, also in the night with Badami and all. And that was, I think, the first time, even during heavy rain, that Mala did not flood. So our projects have brought relief to the population of Panjim. So everything that we've done is very evident for people to see.
In the last 5 years as a mayor, what are the things that you would like to take forward in these elections that you have done best or achieved best for the city?
See, as of now, it is just a continuation of everything that we're currently working on. Right? Now, what I want to do basically is we want to build up that pride in Panjim and that sense of community. That is personally what I am looking forward to. Apart from that, our regular work continues. Right? They have not. See, the municipality, no, at least my belief is that the municipality should always be in the background. People should wake up, their city should be clean, they should not have any issues. We have not raised taxes in the past 5 years. We have cut costs throughout the municipality. We have done savings throughout the municipality. We have not burdened anybody additionally. That is something that I take immense pride in also. Because we have tried to help the people wherever we can. And we will continue that going forward.
Are you happy with the smart city work right now? Are you happy with the smart city work?
So far, there is no issue with any of the things also. See, Baba, I remember when Smart City was going on, especially during those roads next to 18th Road, everybody criticized. But today, 18th Road has not flooded. It didn't flood yesterday and it didn't flood the year after that. So the work that has happened to Smart City is pretty evident. There have been issues also, even I agree to that. But whatever has been done has benefited the people. There are issues here and there, we will resolve those.